So right here on the screen is a free $25,000 account that I will be showing you how to get. Alright, and I will be showing you how to withdraw your profit from this free $25,000 Forex account. But before I start, one thing I've observed is that recently a lot of people have not been able to claim the no deposit bonuses, and the profit account have been dropping. So I'm going to make it up to you right here in this video. You'll be getting this free $25,000 immediately and instantly. There is no need for you to come back in the next 5 minutes. You'll be getting it as soon as you follow the instruction that I will be showing you in this video. Now, the first step you have to take in order for you to get this free $25,000 Forex account is for you to click on the link in the description of this video. And like I said in my Telegram channel, I won't be holding the link to be able to claim this $25,000 account. I will be holding it back from you guys. I will be dropping it immediately in the description of this video. So all you have to do is to go to the description of this video and you will see the link right there. Just click on it, and once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to a particular interface. All right, you'll be taken to a particular interface, and that's where you'll be getting your free $25,000 account from. Now, for the terms and condition will be explained in the middle of this video, and also it will be dropped in my Telegram channel. And also, if you know that you're interested in making money online in 2026 for free without deposit, or you are interested in getting free funded account every single day, or you are interested in getting a profit account every single day, or you are interested in getting a no deposit bonus every single day, use the link in my comment section to join my Telegram channel. Once you join my Telegram channel, you will see the no deposit bonuses that are available for you to claim. It requires no deposit. You don't have to deposit in order for you to claim them, and there are some money making updates that are also available for you to get. So once you've clicked on them, you'll be able to make money for free in 2026. Hurry up and use the link in the comment section. Now, so once you've clicked on the link in the description of this video, and you are taken to this interface right here on the screen. So you'll be taken to an interface like this. As you can see, this is where you'll be getting your free $25,000 Forex account for free. You don't have to spend any money on it. So I'll be showing you how you can get it for free. The first thing you have to do is for you to create an account with them. All right, so once you've gotten to this interface, click on create account right here. As you can see, once you've clicked on it, the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your full name, enter your email address, choose the country you are from, enter your phone number, enter a secured password, and enter the password again. Once you are done, just click on register right here. Click on register right here. Alright, so once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to another interface. Let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So the first time I tried entering my name and my password, alright, the first time I tried, as you can see right here on the screen, they brought out error sending confirmation email, which means they are not able to send the confirmation link to my email account. So the best thing for us to do in order for us to register and get our $25,000 Forex account is for you to click on continue by Google with Google. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to where you will be selecting your email. Alright, you'll be taken to where you'll be selecting your email. So choose the email you want to use. Choose the email you want to use. Okay, so once you've choose it, just click on continue. And once you click on continue, you will be proceed. You'll be taken to an interface like this. As you can see, this is it right here on the screen. So this is where you'll be getting the free $25,000 account. Alright, so now this is where you have to pay attention, as I'll be showing you how to get it. So as you can see, this particular screen has been splitted into two, and it is not fully appeared right on our screen. So the best thing for you to do is for you to make use of desktop site by clicking on this link right here. Let me show you. By clicking on this place, click on this place. Okay, so click on it and choose desktop site. So once you've choose desktop site, it will be wide opening. It will be wide open for you to see. As you can see, this is it right here on the screen. You can see it very well. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on new challenge, and this is where you'll be selecting the challenge you want to pick. So as you can see, there are a lot of challenges right here. For example, this is This is 2-step challenge, 1-step challenge, instant funded, and 3-step challenge. So under it we have a 5k challenge, 10k challenge, $25 challenge, and $25,000 challenge, and $50,000 challenge. So let's go for 25k challenge, okay? And I'll be showing you how you can get it for free. And in the middle of this video, I'll be explaining the terms and conditions you have to know in order for you to withdraw your profit. So make sure you stick to the end of this video, and do not forget, alright, is to make sure that the account you choose is $25,000 account. This one, make sure the one you choose is this one. Don't choose any other one apart from this one. And also make sure that the one you choose is 3-step. You know, there are a lot of steps right here, so choose this one, this 3-step right here. So let's click on it and proceed. So just click on the 3 steps, and as you can see, the amount that we are going to be paying is $125 a month, but I will be showing you how you can get it for free right here in this video, and I'll be also explaining the terms and conditions. So as for the terms and conditions, these are the terms and conditions right here. So you could just zoom it like this. This is the funded capital, which is $25,000, and the max daily drawdown is 5.0 statio. All right, this is it right here, static. So this is the max drawdown. This is the max drawdown. This is the inactivity rule. This is it. So these are the terms and conditions, and the leverage lot you'll be trading is 0.50 lot, and the first payout you'll be receiving your money after 21 days, after 21 days of trading. All right, so this is it right here. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on start trading now. So once you've clicked on start trading now, you'll be taken to this billing details. So once you've got into this billing details, this is where you'll be getting it for free. But it looks as if we will be paying money, but I will show you how you can actually get it for free right here in this video, and you will get it right here in this video. Okay, so the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your first name, your last name, select your country, and fill in the billing details. So once you're done, all you have to do is to scroll down, and come to this place. As you can see, this is a discount code. This is a discount code that we are going to be using to purchase the account. So I'll be giving you a discount code, more like a coupon code, that once you enter it, you won't have to pay a dime before you can be able to get the $25,000 Profem account. Now this is not a competition account. This is a Profem account that you get immediately, and you can start trading with immediately. Okay, so watch this video as I show you how to make use of the coupon code to access your free $25,000 Profem account. So let me just enter my billing details, and I will show you the next thing to do. Another incredible thing about this free Profem account is that it is available for every country worldwide. No matter where you are from, you can just claim it. And also, it is important that you expand it is important that you make use of the desktop site to widen the face of your interface right here. The reason why it is important is that so that you can see everything, and so that you can be able to do everything. Okay, so now let's go to where we'll be entering our discount code. So you don't have to fill in the payment method, because you will be getting it for free by using a discount code. All right, so let's just come down to this order summary. So right, you don't have to select anything. All right, so just leave it and let it be. So now the discount code you'll be entering will be shown on the screen of the video. As you can see, this is the discount code that you'll be entering: solo 535149. So this is the discount code. Just click on this box right here. Click on this box once you've entered the discount code, and once you've click on this box, just click on apply and complete payment. Okay, click on apply and complete payment. So as you can see right here on the screen, the amount we'll be paying in order to claim this free $25,000 Profem account is now 0, because we've entered the right discount code right here on the screen. So this Profem account is not like the one I dropped yesterday that the code got expired. All right, so I'll be making up with you guys over here. So now the next thing for you to do is for you to click on claim free account. So as you can see, it is processing already. It is processing already. As you can see, the request has been successfully submitted. Our team will currently review your duties. So the next thing for you to do is for you to return to your dashboard. As you can see, you've been able to get a free $25,000 account. You've been able to get it. This is it right here on the screen. This is it. And this, in order for you to see to get your credentials, all you have to do is to come down to this place, click on credentials, and you'll be taken to where you'll see your login details in order for you to start trading. So now the next thing for me to show you is for me to show you how you can start trading and making money on this platform right here, so that you can be able to withdraw your profit. Okay, and also there are some people who have been able to withdraw their profit. All right, and I'll also be showing you how you too can withdraw your profit. So these are the certificates. But currently I have not been able to withdraw my money, but a lot of people have been able to withdraw their money. And also you can also participate in their competition by clicking on competition right here and register for their competition. If you register for their competition, you'll be able to make more money. But that is not why we are here. The next thing for me to show you is for me to show you how you can start trading and make money on this broker. Okay, so once I've shown you how you can start make money by trading, I'll also show you where and how to withdraw from. Okay, so now let's go back to our dashboard to check out our login credentials. So like I said earlier, to check out your login credentials, all you have to do is to click on these credentials right here. Click on these credentials right here. This is your balance. Your balance is now $25,000, and your equity is $25,000, and your starting is $25,000. So now that you've gotten it, click on credentials. So as you can see, once you've clicked on credentials, you'll be taken to somewhere like this. So this is your credentials right here. The reason I'm blocking it from you guys is because of security purpose. So this is your credentials. So now let me show you how you can start trading and how you can make money on this broker. So in order for you to start trading and in order for you to start making money on this broker, the next thing for you to do is for you to log in by using your credentials that I've already showed you, where you can see them and how to see them. Okay, so now I'll be showing you the trading platform that you are going to be using to trade your free $25,000 profit account. So the next thing for you to do in order for you to start trading is by coming to this place. As you can see, this is the trading platform. So just click on trading platform, and once you've clicked on trading platform, you'll be taken to this place, and over here you'll be entering your login credentials, which include your accounts and your password. So in order for you to log in here, just go back to your dashboard to get your credentials like I've shown you the other time. So let's go back there. So once you've gotten there, just copy your account number and copy your trading password. You can copy it by clicking on this copy. You can copy it by clicking on them. So once you've clicked on them, once you've copied the account and you've copied the password, just head on back to the trading platform. All right, head on back to the trading platform and enter your account number, the first one you copied. Your account number is the first one you copied. Okay, so enter your account number and enter your password. So once you're done, just click on connect to market. Let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So once you've copied it and you've clicked on login, you'll be taken to somewhere like this. As you can see, this is it right here on the screen. This is it right here on the screen. So you can just zoom it to know what's going on. Welcome to Solo Terminal. So Solo Terminal is where you'll be trading your Forex market in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Don't forget, I'll still be showing you how you can make withdrawal on this broker after you are done trading. But let me just guide you through how you can start trading on this broker. So you can just click on start tour. So as you can see, this is their chat interface. Let me get you familiarized with their chat interface. So this is it right here. This is where you can check for their charts. This is where you can change the time frame and everything you have to know. You can just zoom in and zoom out. You can change it to portrait. Okay, you can change it to portrait. So hold on, I'm trying to show you the balance that we have, on the screen. So for better trade, you can just turn it, you can just rotate it. All right, so this is it. You can just start analyzing for better trade, more like your trade view. So you can just scroll up, scroll down. As you can see, this is our balance right here. This is our balance right here. Over here, this is our balance. Okay, so this is our equity, and about the terms and condition I explained the other time. This is how you are going to know whether you are following the terms and condition or not. So now that you've gotten it, as you can see, it's a live account too. It's a live account. This is it right here, a live account. So now that you've gotten it, the next thing for me to show you is to show you how to withdraw your profit once you are done trading. Okay, how to withdraw your profit. So now that I've gotten you familiarized with it, let's head on to how you can withdraw your profit. So once your profit has been made, it will reflect on your dashboard. It will reflect on your dashboard right here around this balance. So your balance will also increase. Okay, your balance will also increase. So in order for you to withdraw, the next thing for you to do is for you to go to withdrawal. So just click on withdrawal right here. By the left of the screen, just click on withdrawal. And once you click on withdrawal, you'll be taken to an interface like this. So as you can see, in order for you to make withdrawal, you have to verify your identity by clicking on verify now. So once you've clicked on verify now, this is where you'll be verifying your identity. You'll be verifying by entering your details and by uploading your documents and by using a liveness check and a status check. So you can just click on explain requirements in order to proceed. So you'll be uploading your documents, your NIN or your driver license, and also you'll be taking live check, which is also known as selfie, and also you will check your status. That is where it will be rolling. So once you're done, the withdrawal interface will be opened, and once it is opened, you will see where you're going to be entering your wallet address and how to press withdrawal just like normal crypto account. So once you're done, the money will be withdrawn into your account immediately. And I want you to know that there are withdrawals proof for this particular broker. Okay, so if there is anything you would like to know, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more no deposit bonuses and for more free Forex accounts, so that you'll be the first person to get it. All right, so now don't forget to use the link in the description to claim this free $25,000 profit account. I love you guys. Bye.